Love silence vlogs like I do? Then you are in for a treat. Do you ever just want to escape from the noise and chaos of life? I get it. There is something magical about watching a silence vlog, a space where words are replaced with soft sounds and daily routines become a form of art. If you love silence vlogs as much as I do, you are in the right place. Today I'm sharing with you the top 5 Nigerian silence vloggers you should be watching right now. And I mean right now. These Nigerian silence vloggers are all about capturing life in its purest, quietest moment. And trust me, you want to subscribe to every single one. So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's dive into the world of peaceful living. These vlogs are the perfect remedy for anyone looking to relax and reconnect with the present. Whether it is a quiet morning routine, a walk through nature, or a serene cooking session, silent vloggers helps us to take a break from the noise of daily life. First on our list, we have MORENIKEJIS vlogs. With a knack for turning the ordinary into something special, she captures everyday moments like morning routines, skincare routines, and peaceful walks through the city. If you want to learn how to cook, please run and search, or better still, click on the link in my description box to her channel. If you want to feel motivated to clean your space or go to church, MORENIKEJIS vlogs is your girl. What sets her apart is her attention to details. The soft clings of a teacup, aesthetic teacups for that matter, the sounds of leaves rustling in the breeze. Every vlog feels like a meditation on life's quiet moments. If you love cozy, peaceful moments captured so beautifully, then MORENIKEJIS vlogs will quickly become one of your favorites, and she's many other favorites, so I'm sure she'll be your favorite too. Now, if you're looking for someone who blends minimalism with a calm, soothing aesthetic, you'll love my next pick, which is Bidels. Bidels has mastered the art of minimalism in her vlogs. Every frame feels carefully crafted, like a minimalist painting brought to life. Her videos are a soft escape from the chaos of everyday life, where less is truly more. Her vlog reminds us that beauty can be found in simplicity. What I love most about Bidels vlogs is how she manages to make every scene feel intentional, from the way the light streams through a window to the gentle sounds of daily routines, her cleaning routines, and all that. My next pick brings a completely different vibes. She celebrates Nigerian culture in a subtle yet powerful way. JAYAN of Africa by Anna James. JAYAN of Africa, she takes you on a journey through everyday Nigerian lives. She has Ibadan vlogs, Lagos vlogs, but mostly Lagos living, and in the quietest, most beautiful way possible. Her vlogs often features peaceful walks through local markets, preparing traditional Nigerian meals, or spending time with her newly adopted cats and friends. It is the perfect mix of cultural representation and personal reflection. What I love most about her vlogs is how she captures the little details, like the sound of cooking, the hum of a quiet evening, or the colors of a Nigerian marketplace. Our content reminds us that culture can be experienced in the most quiet moments too. If you're a fan of stunning cinematography, then you're going to fall in love with our fourth vlogger, which is IFUNAYA. I'm sorry in advance if I mispronounced her surname, but IFUNAYA. If there's one thing that sets IFUNAYA apart, is her ability to transform daily life into cinematic masterpieces. Every shot feels intentional. Every moment is beautifully composed. She's so put together. She creates her own luxury. She loves to stay healthy. She loves to stay in shapes by eating salads, juicing, working out almost every day. She never fails to put it out there. When I first watched her videos, I was wondering, is it the same Nigeria that people are intentional about health and wellness like this? That is a very cute and good thing to see. She is a true artist behind the camera, and her content is a visual treat for anyone who loves quiet, beautiful, aesthetically pleasing vlogs. It is the way she captures light, the way she frames each scene that makes every video feels like a little slice of heart. Whether she's walking through a quiet street or capturing a cozy afternoon at home, you'll be mesmerized. You will love her skincare routine, her morning routine, the way she eats, the way she cooks, everything. Also, she has a sister in the game. She goes by the name IFEYINWA. She does similar things to that of IFUNAYA. So, if you want to bless your eyes, if you want aesthetically pleasing, productive vlogs, these two sisters are your go-to. Finally, for today, if you are looking for a vlogger who blends daily routine with mindful living, our last pick will be your obsession, which is Lademi. Lademi is a 23-year-old fashion illustrator living in Lagos, Nigeria. She's trying to balance getting the bag, as we all should, staying fit and having a social life. Lademi is all about mindful living, and her vlogs are an invitation to slow down and be present. Her content ranges from morning routines, workout routines, working, and making coffee. She has an obsession with coffee, which I love because I'm also obsessed with coffee. And she has thoughtful reflections during peaceful walks, trying to pick up different hobbies like crafting, reading, and all that fun stuff. She encourages viewers to take a step back from the busy pace of life and truly savoring each moment. What makes Lademi so special is the calming energy she brings to each vlogs. Watching her content feels like taking a deep breath, a reminder to find peace and stillness even in the small moments of life. There is something so beautiful about watching life unfold in silence. These 5 Nigerian vloggers have mastered the art of storytelling without words, reminding us to slow down and appreciate the quiet beauty of everyday moments, whether it's through their calming routines, stunning cinematography, or cultural representation. Each vlogger offers something unique that makes them worth watching. Trust me, you'll not regret any of these channels I just recommended. And I'll have you know that it's actually a lot of work that they put into these videos. So which one are you going to check out first? Let me know in the comments which silent vlogger resonated with you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you enjoyed this video, which I know you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Again, subscribe. Yes, you subscribe, and ring the bell notification on more peaceful, minimalist content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you. Yes, you. Thank you for joining the family in the next video. Immerse yourself in the world of silent, beautiful, aesthetically pleasing vlogs. Bye. Don't forget to appreciate the little things.